Hello, you guys. Today I will be doing a Dutch pour using the cloud recipe. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I did, I painted the edges and the corners just in case maybe the paint doesn't go all the way on the edges and corners. I already have some paint on there. It's just kind of like a time saver, try to prepare in advance so that I won't have to do it later. But you never know what you're going to end up with, so I may still have to fix it. Okay, so the colors I have today, I have a Craftsmart pink chiffon. Okay, I will list them in the description. I have Golden's Gold Interference. And then I just have Artist Loft Black. Okay. Let's put our base down. Hopefully I did enough for this base. I'm just going to blow it out with the blow dryer. And, oh, I do want to show you this. So before, my floors are not even. And before, I think that my table maybe was not leveled. It was hard getting it leveled because I didn't know which way I needed to lift it to get it leveled. But I figured it out. So it's leveled now. Okay. So always check to make sure your table is leveled so that your painting will come out right or it won't just fall all off the canvas. Okay. All right, so I'm not going to use all of it, just in case I need some more of it. All right, let's try to blow it out. This blow dryer is not as powerful as the other one. I'm just going to spread it some. Okay. Pop some bubbles. All right. Okay, I wasn't sure about which color I wanted to put on first. I think I'm going to do the black. Hoping that this black doesn't take over. Try to use it in moderation. I said that, but I think I used all the black. It'll be okay. Use it all. If I don't use it now, I probably won't use it anyway, so. Okay. I think. I'm not sure if I want to do the pink or the gold interference. I wish you guys could tell me which one to use. Okay. Gonna go with the pink. Okay, now the gold interference. Looks like he disappears. Okay, you guys. Let's see what we get. Hopefully this dryer will be able to do it, this hair dryer. Okay, not bad. Let's see. See some little clumps from that pink paint. It had little chunks in it. Let's see, I want to blow a little bit. Trying to see how I can best get to it. Okay. Just trying to see if I need to clean up anything with it. Let me bring you down so that you can see it. Here it is. Give you a close-up. That gold interference is very nice. It's very light. And I love my gold. It's very light. It's for a light palette. So I really like it. Tell me what you guys think. What do you think of it? It's pretty awesome. Look at those cells. Look at that. Nice how that black mixed in. It's really nice. So tell me what you guys think. Make sure that you comment and like the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell so that you receive the notifications when I post a new video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Until the next time, you guys, thanks for watching.